Hello students, welcome to VrushuRaj classes YouTube channel. It's said that the best friend in the world is book. Yes, book reading can change your life. But we have so many books, and which book to read exactly? Which book is really going to help us to change our life? And most of the teenagers are confused in this. They are interested to read the book, but they are confused that which book they are actually supposed to read. So this video is especially to help the teenagers to select the best book to read. So in this video, I'm going to tell the list of 5 books which are very helpful and the best books for the teenagers. So let's start with the list of our 5 books, best books for the teenagers. The first book. It's a very small and simple book, that is Think and Grow Rich. The title itself is interesting, Think and Grow Rich. This is a small book written by Napoleon Hill. This book teaches the fundamentals of success, the power of your desire, belief and persistence. This book will help you to understand the exact need of the wealth building and how the mindset helps in this regard. So, the first book what you have to read is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Now, the second book is You Can Win. You Can Win is the best book written by Shiv Khera. The book is written in very simple language, very easy to understand language, and we can define this book as a roadmap. Yes, it's the roadmap to reach your success, to reach your goal. So this book actually helps you to understand how to develop this strong positive attitude, how to build self-confidence in yourself, what exactly is goal setting and how you have to proceed further in this regard. So as I said, this book is very easy to understand and the perfect roadmap to reach your goal. So don't miss this book at all. You Can Win by Shiv Khera. Now the third book with a very catchy title, that is The Magic of Thinking Big. Yes, written by David. The magic of thinking big. Yes, thinking big itself is one magical thing. It is really having that magical power. And what is that magical power is explained in this book, The Magic of Thinking Big. This book explains one very important aspect, that success doesn't depend only on intelligence, but it also depends on the strong belief and the action. So this book will explain you that how to change your mindset, how to dream big and how to build the confidence in yourself, how to eliminate the negative things like lack of confidence, fear, anxiety from yourself. So this is a very good book. This book is really going to play a magical role in your life. So don't miss this book, that is The Magic of Thinking Big by David. The fourth book. The fourth book is really the life-changing book, that is Rich Dad Poor Dad, the world famous book Rich Dad Poor Dad, written by Robert Kiyosaki. I personally wish that they should include this concept in the school syllabus. Yes, because the school academics only helps us to get degree. Degree helps us to get the good job. Good job helps us to get the good earnings. But what next? How to manage this earning? So this book especially explains what exactly is financial literacy. Only being well educated is not enough. Being well educated is incomplete if you are not financially literate. Means along with the literacy, means along with learning to read and write, along with getting degree, you should also have the knowledge of financial management. And this is the best book. This book especially explains one thing, that is the difference between assets and liabilities. Most of the people make mistake in understanding what exactly is asset and what exactly is liabilities. So what I wish is not only the teenagers, but each and every one who is earning must read this book, that is Rich Dad Poor Dad. The fifth book is a little bit different from this list. And this fifth book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Yes, as I said, this book is a little bit different. The power of your subconscious mind. We have two minds, that is conscious mind and subconscious mind. So what exactly is conscious mind? What exactly is subconscious mind? What is the difference between the thoughts lying in this conscious mind and subconscious mind? How powerful are our thoughts, and how powerful is our subconscious mind? The power, it is really having the power to change your life. So this book explains, the title itself tells you the power of your subconscious mind. This book not only explains what is the power of subconscious mind, but it also teaches how to harness this power, how to harness the power of your positive thinking, visualization, which is very, very, very helpful for building the self-esteem and focusing on the goals. So don't miss this book, that is Power of Subconscious Mind. Now, once you read these five books, I am sure that you will fall in love in reading books, and then you will find out few more books to read. Yes, the list is not going to end here. These are only the first five books what you have to read. The list is not going to end here. Now, apart from this, after you complete this five book, yes, you have to proceed further with the books like The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, The Secret, How to Win Friends and Influence People, Ikigai, The Alchemist, Atomic Habits, 5 a.m. Club. The list is not going to end here. I have 3 videos. Yes, I myself have 3 videos on the collection of books which I personally have. Please do watch those videos. I'll share the link in the description box. These are all motivational books. Yes. Now, apart from this, if you are interested to read some spiritual books, which are going to motivate you, yes, many good books are published by ISKCON, Ramakrishna Mission Ashram, and even by Jivan Vidya Mission. So whichever is near to you, just visit the place and check the collection of books available at this place. You will really find many good spiritual as well as motivational books at this place. So my dear students, I think immediately after this video, you will definitely start reading the 5 books which I have suggested. Yes, read these books because books really can change your life. So if you find this video helpful, yes, this book reading is really going to help you. So please do share this video among maximum number of friends. Yes, share this video among all your friends. Let your each and every friend start reading book. So if you find this video helpful, share this video and subscribe our channel to get the updates of such useful, helpful, interesting videos. So my dear students, my dear viewers, thank you so much for watching this video.